Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to take long scrolling screenshots on the OnePlus 15. So let's say you're on a scrollable page, for instance, the settings page or a page like this one, and you want to take a scrolling screenshot. So what you need to do is just take a normal screenshot, the way you normally take screenshots. But this time, because it's a scrollable page, you'll see the option to scroll. You tap on it, and then now it's going to start scrolling for you. Okay, you can speed it up by scrolling yourself, or you can let it auto scroll. And once you reach the end of where you want to capture, tap on done, and that's going to capture that particular screenshot as a long scrolling screenshot. Of course, you also have the option to crop. You can cut out some parts you didn't intend to capture. You can annotate it. You can do everything you will do with a normal screenshot. Okay, once you're done, just save that screenshot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.